Hi everyone, Dr. Vikram Jayaprakash here, and the next question is topical or oral minoxidil? Which one is better? Well, I think first of all, there's no sort of finite answer as to which one is more superior. It just there's scenarios where one is probably more appropriate and more effective than the other. So, for example, if you've got someone who's got a little bit of thinning in the frontal area, for example, or a little bit of thinning in the crown, and you want to stimulate the hair in that particular area, then for sure, topical minoxidil works great because you can localize where you want it to work. You can apply it to that area and you're trying to get the stimulation in that area. As opposed to an oral form which stimulates hair everywhere, on the face, on the body, etc., which may not be advantageous in certain circumstances. But if you've got someone who's got sort of thinning in, over a larger surface area, then maybe using a topical may not be that great an idea because A, you have to apply more to cover a larger surface area, and as a consequence, you're going to work your way through the bottle relatively quickly, and the cost associated with that. So in that scenario, an oral version may be more appropriate. The other thing to sometimes consider is compliance, right? So if you say, right, if I recommend someone to use a topical minoxidil, sometimes people complain that it does make the hair feel greasy. They don't like the way it feels. And as a consequence of that, using the topical may not be advantageous, and as such we would sort of switch to an oral version. So there are lots to think through, and I think it's important when you're sort of considering these options, make sure that you have a conversation with your doctor and try and make an appropriate decision from there. All right, take care.